The CDC says only 29% of Idaho residents have had at least one vaccination, falling in the top 5 least vaccinated states.
Well, we're quite proud of our position in Idaho as the least regulated state in the nation.
Since the pandemic began, Republican Governor Brad Little showed the rest of the country that Idaho was hands off in addressing pandemic safety concerns. Phase 1 of reopening didn't have a mask mandate, gatherings were discouraged but not prohibited, and places of worship remained open.
We had one of the least restrictive to begin with, and then we opened up one of the fastest. Individuals and businesses being able to do what they need to do to be profitable and sustain their families is what we're all about in Idaho.
Governor Little says he is a huge believer in individual freedom, enough so that he banned the use of vaccine passports or proof of the COVID-19 vaccination from being required or used at government entities.
We think it, jeopardizes the patient privacy, individual freedoms, and in fact would, in some instances, create two different classes of citizens.
Along with these reasons, the governor believes asking for proof of vaccination may actually curb the current vaccine speed.
The noise of a potential vaccine passport just slows that down. We want people to continue to do the right thing, we want them to continue to get vaccinated, and then we'll continue on the trajectory we have of the fastest momentum of any state union.
His reference to fast momentum is the reopening speed, not their vaccination speed. Idaho is in the bottom 5 states in amount of vaccinations. Everyone 16 and older is eligible for the vaccine, but scheduling websites show countless appointments aren't getting filled every day. The Panhandle Health District and Kootenai Health both opened up eligibility early due to a decline in interest for the vaccine.
How do you think prohibiting vaccine requirements will encourage people to get it?
Well, I believe if you put the facts out there and make things available about how efficient and effective and safe this vaccine is, that people choose to do the right thing to protect themselves, their families, their communities, and their places of work. So that has been working for us, and that's what we're going to continue to do in Idaho. Give people that personal choice.
So the state will continue working off the honor system. Other states such as Florida and Texas have banned passports for businesses as well. But Governor Little says he can't anticipate himself extending the order. Morgan Trow, KREM 2 News.